Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a carousel post on Pinterest. So first you need to make sure that you're using the business account. Go to your settings, go to account management and convert to business account. Now here you have to look for create. Usually you can see it after you tap on the save or board option. You should see the create idea pin. What you're going to do is you have to click that one. And this is what it looks like. Now you can add a title for that. You can add images or videos. Pinterest recommends vertical format. You can drag to reorder or delete slides as needed. This is what it looks like. However, you want to put all picture in just one image and then you can use Canva for that. So in that way, I strongly suggest Canva. In Canva, you can create a carousel or Pinterest carousel ad. Here, what you're going to do is create a Canva account, go to the search icon, and then type Pinterest carousel. So you can also use carousel ad if you want. So this is the size. Make sure it's the same size with Pinterest. Here you can search for a design or template. And then once you found a template, it should be related to your product or to your picture also. So here there are tons of templates that you can use, and all you have to do is to add these images to each frame. So your customer or client can just basically see all that or those images in one frame or in one image. So in this way, you can promote this as Pinterest carousel ad if you want. And if you upload this to your Pinterest, then basically people can see this as one image with multiple pictures. So either ways, you can use this and post to your Pinterest. And that's how to create carousel post on your Pinterest. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.